Okay, here we have the Buck Tool 8-inch dual-speed bench grinder, model number TDS200DS. Let's open it up. First we have the instruction manual, all the parts for assembly. Here are the eye guards with magnifying. So here we have our bench grinder. Let's install the tool rest. First, you're going to want to install your bracket right over here. When installing, make sure that your washer is in place. Here we have the tool rest. Next, we're going to install the eye guard. Start once again with your bracket. When installing the bracket for the eye guard, remember that your washer must be in place. Your bracket is in place. Secure eye guard. Next, we're going to install the spark deflector. Once again, make sure that your washers are in place. So over here, we have the 1.3 times magnifying eye shield. You can adjust the position with the knob over here. And with the knob attached to the bracket, you can adjust the height. Then over here, we have the aluminum work rest that can be adjusted. The knob over here. As well as the distance positioning. Here we have the main power switch with a remove to lock option. When removed, the switch will be without function. When inserted, hand on, you have 2 speed options. High speed, which will give you 3450 rounds per minute, and low speed, which is 1725 rounds per minute. Next, we're going to install the buffing wheel. First, we need to remove the guard. Remove the guard. Secure with a wooden block before loosening the bolt. Here we have the flange made from very high heavy-duty metal. Remove the grinding disc. First, insert spacer, then the flange. Insert your buffing wheel. The flange and your second spacer. A buffing wheel or brush wheel will be equipped for multi-purpose polishing. You can install them with the help of spacers that are already included. It comes with both a 60 grit and a 120 grit white aluminium oxide wheel, which can reduce heat buildup when grinding. It starts up very quick and performance is smooth. The best is you will have the same powerful torque at low speed in comparison to high speed. It is a big advantage when comparing to variable high-speed models.